If there's one moment you should remember in trading, it's not your biggest win or worst loss. It's the moment you increased your position size, not because your system told you to, but because you felt sure. That quiet thought, "This time is different," has destroyed more traders than bad strategies ever could.
Most traders don't fail because they are careless. They fail because their decisions feel logical. This setup is perfect. I'll just increase size a little. And that little is where control begins to slip. No one goes all in at once. It always starts small and reasonable.
The market doesn't knock you out instantly. It slowly wears you down with small losses and small mistakes. At first, you still feel fine. You still have confidence. And that's the trap. You confuse surviving with succeeding.
Trading is not about winning big. It's about not losing big. You can be right most of the time and still lose everything if your losses are too large, because one oversized loss can erase months of discipline.
Lose 50% of your account and you need 100% just to recover. This isn't motivation. This is math. And math doesn't care about your confidence, your experience, or your belief in a trade.
Then comes the winning streak. Charts look clearer, execution feels easy, and a dangerous thought appears. Maybe I've figured it out. So you increase size, not recklessly, but logically. 1% becomes 2%, 2% becomes 5%. And then losses return, not because you became bad, but because losses are part of the game. But now each loss hits harder. You stop asking, "Is this a good trade?" and start asking, "How do I recover?"
You move your stop loss. You exit early. You overtrade. Not because your system failed, but because your mind did. When position size is too big, you lose clarity. And when you lose clarity, trading turns into reaction. And reaction is gambling.
Professionals don't focus on how much they can win. They focus on how much they can lose and still remain calm, because survival is everything. Big losses don't just take money. They take time, confidence, and future opportunities.
You don't need one big win. You need consistency. You need to survive long enough for your edge to work. The market always gives another opportunity, but only to those who are still alive to take it.